In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Sprout Social, the social media management solution that helps businesses and individuals streamline their social media strategies. If you're new to Sprout Social or looking to refine your posting process, you're in the right place. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide that will take you from login to your first post and beyond. First off, we need to get you into your Sprout Social account. Begin by navigating to the Sprout Social website. Once there, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to accessing all the features that Sprout has to offer. Next, you'll be prompted to select Sprout Social from the available options. This will lead you to the login page. Here, you'll need to input your email and password associated with your Sprout Social account. It's crucial to keep your login credentials secure and handy for a smooth login experience. Once you've filled in your details, click on the login button to proceed. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to your dashboard on Sprout Social. This dashboard is essentially your command center, where you can navigate through various functions and features of Sprout Social. Now it's time to get down to business and craft your post. Look towards the top right corner of your dashboard and you'll find the Compose button. Clicking on this button is your first step towards creating engaging content for your audience. It opens up a world where words meet creativity. As you click on Compose, a text box will appear where you can type out what you want to post. Think of this space as your canvas, where you can write, express, and bring your ideas to life. Whether it's an update about your company, a thought-provoking quote, or a promotional post, make sure it's engaging and matches the voice of your brand. Now, no post is complete without some eye-catching media. Sprout Social allows you to add media to your posts to make them more appealing. You'll see an option to add media to your post. This could be images, videos, or GIFs. A visually appealing post is more likely to capture attention and provoke interaction than a text-only post. Once you're satisfied with the content and visuals of your post, it's time to decide when this masterpiece goes live. Sprout Social offers various scheduling options, including the ability to auto-schedule. Auto-schedule evaluates the optimal time for your post to go live based on your audience's activity, ensuring maximum engagement. For this demonstration, we'll choose the auto-schedule option, allowing Sprout Social to take the wheel and decide the best posting time. After choosing your scheduling option, you'll need to submit or finalize your post. Click on the Submit button to move forward. This action queues your post for publishing at the designated time. Now, to manage and review your scheduled posts, click on the bell icon, which takes you to your notifications. Here you'll see an option for publishing approval. Clicking on this option is vital for team environments where posts need approval before going live. Navigate to the publishing approval section where you can review all posts awaiting approval. Look for the recent post you've just created and click on it. This will allow you to see a preview of your post as it will appear to your audience. Finally, if the post meets all your standards and expectations, it's time to give it your seal of approval. Click on Approve to confirm that the post is ready to be published according to the schedule you've set. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated through the process of creating, scheduling, and approving a post on Sprout Social. From logging in to your Sprout Social account to approving your scheduled post, each step you've taken is towards building a more engaging and dynamic presence on social media. Remember, regular posting and interaction through social media are integral to maintaining a solid online presence. With Sprout Social, you're equipped with tools to make this task less daunting and more intuitive. Whether you're managing a single brand or multiple clients, every post you publish contributes to your digital footprint. Thank you for walking through this guide on how to post on Sprout Social. Whether you're just getting started or looking to optimize your social media strategy, Sprout Social is a powerful ally. Happy posting, and here's to your social media success.